Hello students, welcome back to the fourth chapter, Growing Up as Boys and Girls. This is the third video. We'll try to understand through this story, Growing Up as Male in Madhya Pradesh. Let's see in 1960. From class 6th onwards, boys and girls went to both different schools. After 6th standard, they are being put into girls' school, girls are put into girls' school, boys are put into boys' school. Girls used to have a central courtyard where there was a boundary wall where they had to stay together, be together so that nobody would tease them. Secondly, they played in total seclusion. They never tried to mingle with somebody, okay? So they had to stay in a secluded area and safety from the outside. So the courtyard used to be such that they would stay all girls together and they would never mingle with the people from outside. So that was the life after 6th standard for girls. Now coming to the boys' school. Boys in 1960 in Madhya Pradesh, no such courtyard was there, okay? The courtyard which was there, they'll break the walls, even the roadside also they would use it. Big space attached to the school. So that's how the children used to play around. They had been using the idling time, okay, and they used to tease girls and all. So their whole time used to go like that. Boys used the street as a place to stand around, idling to play and to do tricks with their bicycle. They loved to play with the bicycle. They used to spend their time like that, and there was nobody to tell them that you are not supposed to, because from the childhood they are being taught in the family how you have to be tough. So from childhood they have been taught this way, and girls are asked to stay back at home. So girls walked on the street, so purposeful. They are going to school, back from school to home, home to school, school to home. So there will be a group of girls who go together and they'll be coming together because they don't want to get teased by the boys, or just from there any corner any of the boys will make any kind of sort of sound or whatever it is. They don't want to be in that situation. That was in 1960. For the girls, the street was simply a place to get straight home. The girls always went in group, perhaps because they also carried fear of being teased or attacked. Okay, that is why the girls used to try to stay in a group. As you can see, boys love to play tricks with the bicycle and they'll be moving here and there. Whereas girls, you see, they'll be going in a group, and as they finish their work, they'll be back again. So this is how the process used to take place. Boys and girls, okay, they are being told from the beginning that how you have to behave. So there are different ways of growing up, right? Societies make clear distinction between boys and girls. How? We will see, okay. Boys, as usual, they'll be getting guns to play, so as if they'll be growing up and they'll becoming a policeman or a military man or something like that. And as you see, girls will be getting anything like Barbie doll or something like that in those time period, and they used to stay back. As you get the gift, you are aware what you are supposed to do. The gift suggests by the society, by the relatives, it has been said that girls are supposed to be inside the house, inside the four walls, whereas the boys were taught to be rough and tough, and they can go out, they can play, they can do whatever they wanted. In every sphere in life, our way of telling children that they will have different future. Girls need to talk softly, boys need to be tough. This is what the society, the relatives, the family members, everybody teach. As you can see here, okay, they have already been given guns so that they can play. These are the gifts which have been provided to children at the early stage. then society tells if the boys have any kind or any sort of problem, then they tell boys don't cry, they don't show any feeling, they don't show their emotion, you have to stop it, so boys don't cry. And we even see difference in the work. So this is whole of the thing which you must have understood from this topic, growing up as male in Madhya Pradesh in 1960. Hope students you all have understood with this topic. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.